and just find extraordinary people to draw. So I suddenly thought, well, I can do something with these drawings maybe. Maybe I can take the drawings and paint them, paint shots of people. So, so I started to do that. I've got books and books and books of drawings of people. And people, when you sit and look at them on trains, become fascinating. I found through drawing that I often got into conversation with people and met some extraordinary people. So, but it didn't really work out, painting from drawings. So I thought, well, I'll take a chance and I'll collect my oil paints and terps and all my paraphernalia, and I'll actually get on a train and attempt to paint people in oils on a train while it's moving. So I decided to get on the Richmond line from where I live in Highbury Islington, because it's about a 40-minute journey, and when you get there the train rests for 10 minutes and comes back. So I found out I could do a painting on the way there and a painting on the way back. So how it works so I get my box on my lap, I find somebody who says, yes, I'm going to be painted, and then I just paint.
Invitation.
Yeah, I have met some interesting people. There was one particular guy who, most people look immediately down at their smartphone or iPad, and that suits me because they're very still. But this one particular character, a very handsome young man, was thrilled and sat up straight and posed virtually. And his name turned out to be Michelangelo. A wonderful woman who was knitting on her way to a knitting exhibition, so that was very nice. I had two beautiful Orthodox Jewish ladies, one of whom was reading from scripture, I think, and the other one who was listening to an iPod and nudging her friend the whole time. Very beautiful, two beautiful young women. Marvellous people. Guards get on the train, they're interested. So it's been a real adventure. It's quite interesting because you're on a moving train, but you have to be incredibly present because of the movement.
This is the London Overground service to Richmond. The next station is Finchley Road and Frognall.